Hey guys, welcome back to Ivy Space. So today we are at Kitchen Plus stuff, and I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that they have on clearance right now at Kitchen Plus stuff. So if you're new here and you have never seen any of my video, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Over here we make shopping videos, cooking, cleaning, home decor, mini vlogs, and things like that. So if you're interested in things like that, please push the subscribe button down below and also push the notification bell so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. So to all my new and old subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for continuing to support my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. You guys are amazing. My channel is growing really fast and I'm grateful and thankful to you guys. So I'm just grateful to you guys. So Kitchen Plus stuff has some of their stuff on clearance and their prices were really good. So I wanted to share with you some of the stuff that is on clearance right now at Kitchen Plus stuff. And I come to Kitchen Plus stuff to get some of my dining table decor. There is a dining table that was on sale, not the dining table, the dining table chair that was on sale here at Kitchen Plus stuff. You can get a whole lot of storage bin that you can use to store things in your fridge and things like that here at Kitchen Plus stuff. So they have a whole lot of other stuff as well. They had the coffee machine that was on sale. They also had the hair fryers on sale and things like that. So they do have a whole lot of stuff currently on clearance. So guys, if you want to add some home appliances or kitchen appliances to your home, you can go to Kitchen Plus stuff and check out some of the clearance that they have right now. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Watch this video to an end. I'm going to show you at the end of this video some of the stuff that I got from Kitchen Plus stuff while they were on sale. Guys, it's better to buy things. For me, I just love buying things on sale, save that extra money and use it for something else. So guys, you're going to see at the end of the video some of the stuff that I bought from Kitchen Plus stuff that helped me to like design or decorate my dining room. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep watching.
You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, I'm looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild, it's your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system. up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Know when your body feels so tired to get out of bed, you put your heart on a letter to chase it away. Got sad and it's all because of you. Hey, what's gonna give you more time forever? Know what they say, only time will tell. You know what they say, it never really can. Hey, when I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I can't help myself, I wonder if you still feel the way I feel. Are you sleeping with someone new? Someone new, someone. Talking about my bad as like it ever mattered. You threw it away, and now you're looking back, wishing that we got buried. Know what they say, only time will tell. You know what they say, did I ever really care? I don't think I did. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I can't help myself, I wonder if you still feel the way I feel when somebody calls you back. Are you sleeping with someone new? Someone new, someone. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new.
Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen your smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay